What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing on the segment we started here not too long ago, exploring different shampoos. The goal of this segment is to look at different shampoos and conditioners, find out which ones work, which ones may not, which ones are really worth our time, and essentially what are some things we should be looking and really not looking at as far as shampoos go. There are so many shampoos out there. How in the world are we ever supposed to choose one? Well, it is a major goal for me in this segment to hopefully help you with that task. This is Shampoo Search. Alright, so today we are taking a look at 3 shampoos from the Vilain line. This is a line we've discussed heavily here on the channel in the past, and today we're getting a look at each of the 3 shampoos they offer, which are the Skyline Breeze Set and the newest edition, the Detox Me Cleanser. Now, I've actually been using the Skyline Breeze Set for a really long time, probably close to 2 years now. The way that I use them specifically is I use them when I travel, and these are the full-size bottles, but what I do is I pick up the travel size bottles, and they actually last more than one trip. Actually, they've got quite a bit in it for being travel size, but I just throw them in my travel bag and then I take them to the hotel with me. That way I'm not forced to use whatever shampoo is provided by the hotel, because let's face it, it's probably not the best. So what really makes these cleansers special, and why should you be interested in looking at them? As usual, it's all about what is inside the bottles. The Skyline Breeze Duo really, for me, defines the roles of cleansing and nourishment. The shampoo is formulated with menthol to provide that nice, fresh, tingly sensation when you're using it. And it's also got vitamin E to nourish while getting rid of that stuff you want out. The conditioner follows that up with avocado and apricot oil, which are fantastic for the hair and scalp. It soothes and seals the hair and scalp while improving manageability to help get you through to styling on a strong foot. Now, the shampoo for me is really enjoyable to use. It's got that nice tingly feel when you use it, and really, who doesn't like a good tingle? For me though, it's really got to be followed up with the conditioner, and to show you what I mean by that, we're gonna run through a quick wash demo. We're gonna start with my hair here that's been heavily dosed with Cavalier Clay, and I chose this one specifically because I saw some of you guys complaining that this one was really hard to wash out. Some of you were saying that even if you just use a little bit, it doesn't actually wash out, even with shampoo, which is something that I personally have never had a problem with. So I thought we might as well take a look at that while talking about this shampoo real quick. Moving it around in my wet hair, I have to say there's really nothing initially that makes it really different from any other shampoos. Not that I really want it to be any different. I mean, I am just trying to clean my hair here, but that menthol does make it feel quite nice. Now that we're all rinsed out, we're going to just go ahead and blow dry so I can give you a quick look at the result I get from just using the shampoo. Looking at the dry hair, I see 2 things. 1, the product is all gone. Nothing left behind, no greasiness, no idea what you guys are talking about when you say Cavalier doesn't wash out. And 2, to be honest, I feel like my hair is a bit dry. It's also, as you can see, not extremely manageable. I don't feel like I could dive straight into styling from this step, but luckily it can all be fixed if we reset and just finish up with the conditioner. Now, this conditioner is like a big nourishing blanket that just falls over the hair and gives a nice big soft cuddle. I usually leave all my conditioners in about 2 to 3 minutes to just give off that maximum effect in the hair. And then of course I rinse. When it's wet, you can't hardly tell anything's been done, but when you start to blow dry, that soft hair begins to show itself. Now that we're completely dry, we can see the hair is now so much softer. It's got more body, it's way more manageable, and now it's ready for styling. Before we finish up in style, I thought this was an excellent opportunity to let you guys in on a little secret that I figured out recently, which was that Vilain recently reformulated Gold Digger. I had no idea they were even doing this. I never saw an announcement. I never saw anything that said they did this. How I actually figured it out was I just opened up this new jar of Gold Digger that they recently sent me in a gift package, and I noticed that it was just a lot easier to scoop out, and it was much creamier than usual. So then I just tried it out real quick, and I realized there was a lot of differences in the new formula versus the old one. It was just way less sticky and way easier to apply. So I reached out to Slikhaar to see if they did in fact change the product, and I was told they did. They reformulated it. So this made me really excited because, as you know, Gold Digger works really well for me, but only when I have shorter hair. When it gets longer, it gets a lot harder for me to use. It's way too sticky for my longer hair. But now that they've reformulated it, it actually works a lot better for my hair. Now I know it sounds a lot like hype, but really it's not. It just feels like a whole new product for me, and I'm really excited about it. I'm so excited, in fact, that I'm actually going to be putting together a whole separate video just based on this product, because for me it feels so different that it deserves its own video. So you guys can count on that coming out very soon. But let's finish this up now. Here's the results I get after the washed hair and now the fully styled hair. Personally, I love this combo, and now you've seen it start to finish. Rejuvenated, nourished, and now looking awesome. But what about the other cleanser this brand offers? Initially, I thought the Detox Me shampoo was just like a healthier version of the Skyline Breeze shampoo, and in a way it kind of is, but really after looking into it, it's much more than that. The Detox Me shampoo is specially designed to deliver a huge helping of health back into the hair as it cleanses. It includes specialty ingredients like seaweed, organic jojoba oil, green tea, and even keratin to strengthen and thicken the hair strands. Basically, what I use this for is a cleansing mask. I use it about once a week, among other things, to just make sure my hair is getting treated with good nutrients. When I say I use it once a week, I mean I'm just using this once a week, and I'm using other shampoos like this on the other days. The reason I use both is because I feel like the Skyline shampoo, for example, actually fully cleanses the hair a tad bit better. And I am going to give you guys a quick look at what I mean by that with this quick demo. The major thing to me that stands out here about Detox is that it's both cleansing and nourishing. More on the nourishment side for me, I think, but both nevertheless. Here's a look at my hair after blow drying, and we can see that it actually has a lot more in common with the results we got with using both the Skyline shampoo and conditioner than just the shampoo. It feels really soft and nourished, almost like it's a 2-in-1 combo, even though it's not advertised as such. Here's a look at the final result here, styled with just a little bit of Cavalier Clay. The only thing that I think I could find about the Detox that could be seen as criticism possibly is I feel like it doesn't strip the hair of oils or things like that quite as much as the regular shampoo. However, it does put more nourishment into the hair in my opinion than the regular conditioner. That is why I tend to use it more as a hair mask about once a week, so I'm still getting the needed cleansing on the other days, and then once a week I'm getting some rejuvenation from this as well. But with that, now you guys have a full look at the cleansers from Vilain. If you'd like to check them out for yourself, there will be links and a discount code for you in the description down below there. I obviously really enjoy using them. I've been using them for quite some time now, so I can tell you they really work for me. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but if you enjoyed it, make sure you tap that like button for me and throw a comment down there in the comment section. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. The button's literally on the screen down here in the corner and underneath it, 2 places. Click one of them. And that is it for today, though. I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Shampoo Search. I'll be back with you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.